This is farming at its best. This is coco right there. Coco with corn, sweet potato mix, and there's also callaloo in the mix. So there's callaloo, sweet potato, coco, and corn. Isn't that awesome? That's a great mix. Great way of using up the land too. Yeah. And the corn, they're growing up very nicely. Yeah, looking forward to eating from them. Awesome. Yep. This is country living. And this is your Monday Medz. I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. This is your Monday Medz, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.